So you tell me that you love me, but I don't feel it anymore. Tell me that you care, but all you do is push me away. Tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me. If you talk to her and tell me that she's trying to get you back, you tell me all these things. I don't know what to do. I love you so much, but I don't know anymore. It seems that all I'm feeling nowadays is hurt, betrayal. I'm just feeling so lost in my own little world. Can't make it happen, can't make it better. I'm just gonna try to be me and learn from all my mistakes. I'm starting to say goodbye to all the people that hurt me. I don't know if you want to be on that list, but please don't push me away anymore. I'm here to stay. Why can't you see? You're all I've wanted, all I've needed. All I've ever tried to do is make you happy, make you live the life you want to. If you want to be with her, please just tell me. I'll back away and let you go, let you fly and find your way home. We were meant to be. Looking back to me with open arms, but if not, I'll understand. I'll be here waiting all along. I loved you since the start, but you don't believe me anymore. I wish you could see you're all I've wanted in my life. I've gotta find who I am, see what's gonna happen when I'm done. I love you so, please don't push me away. I'm here for you. If you ever need me, just let me know. I'll be waiting in the dark in the corners alone by myself, wondering if you'll ever need me again. So this is a song that I just basically came up with of nothing except my feelings. There's no music, I'm sorry. I'll try and find something a little bit with it. My singing isn't that good, I know, but this is just something I thought I had to do.